What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Starting this one out on Snapchat, and today I'm going to answer the 3 most common questions that I get about Snapchat streaks. So I have a bunch of other videos about Snapchat streaks here on the channel if you want to check those out. But these are like the 3 things that I get asked all the time, like every day, about how they work. So I'm going to make this one video to answer the most common questions. Question number 1, people ask, does it need to be a photo or a video, or can it be from my memories if I swipe up down here? They just don't have a good understanding of what it can be. So basically it can be a photo or a video. You have to use this button. You can't swipe up and use your memories. So you can do a photo, a video, whatever you want. Just take it with this button and then send it to the person. Thing number 2, they don't have a good idea of how it works. Like I've said, that you need to do it 3 days in a row. So basically you would need to take a photo, send it to someone, and then within 24 hours of you sending that, you have to send another one. And the person that you're sending it to needs to do the same. So basically, if you don't send one within 24 hours of your previous one, the streak can go away. And if they don't send one within 24 hours of their previous one, the streak can go away. So how a lot of people do this is they send one in the morning and one at night, and that pretty much guarantees you're going to hit it within that 24-hour period. But yeah, basically send one within 24 hours of the last one you sent. You should be good to go. And after 3 days, the streak emoji will appear. The third question people ask, do I need to type streak or put a fire emoji on the photo that I'm sending? Like something like this. And the answer is no. You don't need to put any text. You don't need to write streak. You don't need to put fire. You don't need to put good morning, good night. You don't need to do any of that. As long as you send a photo or a video using this button, you should be good to go. That's it for this video, the 3 most common questions I get about Snapchat streaks. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any more questions, and I will try and answer those. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps and social media. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.